Hello my friends! So like you know, we went in Vegas for the second time in short moment with Carlo, and we decided at the last moment to go to Chanel store for buy some items. So let's see! So like always, we tell you all the time, if you are really interested in this type of video, luxury, lifestyle and travel with us, don't forget to subscribe and put a like on this video. Thank you! So let's go for the unboxing. So we have different items and some samples too. So let's see. I show you the samples she gave us so generously. So we have this set of 3 samples inside. So you have the scrub, you have the moisturizer for men, and you have the cleansing cream to foam. So yeah, and for the second one, I checked, but I think it's the same samples. I think it's the same. Yeah, we have the same. Sorry. So yeah, and she gave us also for our travels a small version of this perfume, the Bleu de Chanel ×2, with a nice percentage. So that's the most important moment you want to see. That's the unboxing. So let's go. Wow, gorgeous package. It's white and black, the traditional colors of the brand Chanel. And you have the camellia here. So I'll show you. I will try to open it nicely for not ruining the ruban. That's ruban, not the name.
Yeah, ribbon.
Ribbon. So look at this nice camellia. So you have silk paper, really a good presentation. You have like a pillow in silk paper too. And you have the perfume, Bleu de Chanel for men. It's the one of the size, it's 5 FLOs, like 150 milliliters. After we bought also the Boy de Chanel lip balm. And the last one is the hand cream. And yeah, so we will start with the hand cream. So at the beginning we went in the store really with focus on to buy the perfume, but we found a good client advisor, and she was really good for put us an additional things in Target. So Carlo, he knew already on YouTube the egg of Chanel for the hand cream, so he asked for that. So I'll show you now. Look at this amazing egg.
Hold on. There you go. Okay.
So I'll show you. You open just like that. And yeah, and you have here the hole, and when you give a pressure, it's going to be. You can really control the quantity, so that's really good. And the smell, probably it's like the camellia. It's really light. I thought it was like maybe like jojoba, like really something really too much feminine and really strong. But no, it's really lighter, and when you apply it, it's really like a silk. It's really soft. Any oily or shiny effect. So that's really a good point for the hand cream. After that, we will see the lip balm. So this one, I bought it already in France. I really like it for the same things. It's not too sticky, not too shiny, really light. And the packaging is really amazing. It's really masculine, so I like that too. So I think you know already, guys, how to apply a lip balm, but yeah, just for the show, I will do it. Ta-da! And the last part of this unboxing, that's the perfume. A big one like that. You have the magnetic, what's the name of that?
Magnetic cap.
Magnetic cap, so that's really good. And all the time you have the correction with the C and the good side, see? And the fragrance of this one is really a good one. I really like it. Personally, for me, it's my favorite perfume for men. Really, you have all the time the people around me, they are like, oh, it's smelling so good, it's so light. So yeah, me, I really like it. And you? Like that. So in the composition in this perfume, you have citronelle, you have lemonade, no?
Lemonade.
Lemonade, yeah. And you have coumarin, citral, and yeah. If I can describe you this, the smell of this perfume is really light, fresh, masculine, not too strong, so more close of the citrus than the Santella, I think it's like that. So that's why I like it, because you can wear it during the summer or the winters, it doesn't matter. And yeah, it's an intemporal perfume for young and old people. And the price, so the price of the perfume is $160 before the tax. Cream it's $50, and for the lip balm it's $38. So for the whole set we paid $268, include the taxes. And I want really to dedicate this video also for our client advisor, because she was super nice. Her name is Monica, and yes, she is able to speak in Spanish and English. She's super positive, she's all the time smiling and super funny. So if you go in the Las Vegas Chanel store inside the Wynn Hotel, I recommend you to go to see her. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed like always, and I remember you like all the time, don't forget to put likes, to subscribe in our channel, because it's really important for us. And I will see you in the next video with Carlo and me, of course. Bye bye.